Hello students, welcome to OTT. Today we are going to learn third standard maths unit 2 numbers. Okay, let us see. Travel through. So many flowers are there. Okay, so here they are giving one exercise. Look at the picture and answer the following. Okay, we have to look at this picture and we have to answer here. Here we have flowers. Okay, rose, I think this is lotus, sunflower. Okay, so number and number name of flowers. Okay, here we have to count how many roses are there and how many lotus are there, how many sunflowers are there. Okay, then we have to write their name also. So first I am going to count the roses. How many roses? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. That's all here. Okay, I mark 20. There are 20 roses. So here you have to write 20. 20. What is the number name? 20. DWENTY. 20. Okay. So next I am going to count this lotus. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, that's all. There are 15 lotus. So what is this number name? 15. F15. TEEN. Okay, 15. So next sunflower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 sunflowers. Okay, so we have to write in the name. Write the name 10. That's all student. You just count that flower and you have to write the number here, and also here we have to write the number name 20 15 10. Okay, so next fill in the blanks in each of the figures with missing numbers. Okay, now you see the A row. So here there are some missing numbers. Okay, we have to find that number. So 51, here 55, here 60. So if you put 52, 53, 54, then you will get 55. So what is the next number to 55? 56, 57, 58, 59, then 60. Okay, now the sequence is completed. Okay, 51, 52, 53, 54, then 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Yes, here also we have one sequence. Okay, 75, 77. So what is the number between 75 and 77? Yes, 76. So this must be 74. Okay, 74, 75, 76, 77. Then what is the next number to 77? 78. 8, yes, 78, finally 79. So here we have the tree. So here they are starting from 5, then 10. What is the next number? So they are adding plus 5. Okay, they are adding plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Then 10 plus 5, what? Yes, 15. Then 20. They are adding plus 5, 20. Now if you add plus 5, 25. Okay. Then if you add plus 5, it will become 30. 30 plus 5, 35. So 35 plus 5, 40. Then 40 plus 5, 45. Okay. You see, now I finished the number sequence. Okay. This is one of the number sequence increasing by plus 5. That's all. Next. Okay, complete the given facts by placing plus for addition and minus for subtraction. Okay, so here we have to put plus symbol or minus symbol in the blanks. Okay, in the dashes. Okay, so 9, 3, here we have 12. Okay, so if you have biggest number after the equal symbol, then you have to put plus here. Okay, you have to compare. Okay, you have to compare the three numbers. Okay, that number that coming after equal to, okay, that answer must be bigger than the other number. Then you have to put a symbol plus. Okay, now you compare 9 is 9 and 12. Okay, 9 and 12, you compare these two number, 9 and 12. 12 is biggest number than 9. So next you compare this number, 3. 3 is bigger than 12. Okay, so 12 is biggest number. If the answer is biggest one, in the case you have to put what? Plus. Okay, now you compare these two, 80 and 91. 80 is smaller than 91. Okay, 91 is the biggest one, and 11 and 91. Which one is the biggest one? 91. So the answer is the biggest one. So here we have to put what? Plus. Okay, if you add 9 plus 3, you will get 12. Okay, 9 plus 3. You just keep it 9 in your mind and count 3. After 9, what is the number will come? 10, 11, 12. Okay, so if you count 3, what is the answer? 12. Yes. Here this number is the biggest than the other two numbers, so I put plus. If you add 80 plus 11, you will get 91. You just keep it 80 in your mind and count 11, or otherwise 80 plus 11. Okay, so now I am going to add this. 0 plus 1, this is in ones, this is in tens. Okay, so first we have to add ones place. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 91. I hope you understand. Yes. Now you compare the three numbers. Here 35, here 21. Okay, so 21 is smaller than 35. And here you see 56. So 56 is bigger than 35. In the case, we have to put minus, because this number is biggest one. So we have to put the minus symbol. Suppose the answer is the biggest one. In the case, we have to put plus symbol. Here the two numbers, one number is the biggest one, the answer is the smallest one. So in the case you have to put minus. That means 56 minus 21. Okay, 56 minus 21. This is ones, this is tens. So 6 minus 1. What is 6 minus 1? Yes, 5. 5 minus 2, yes, 3. Okay, Therefore, the answer is 35. You see in this case, next, so you compare this number. So what is the answer? 72. Here we have biggest number 92. Okay. So in the case we have to put minus simple. So if you minus 92 minus 20, you will get 72. So now you compare this number. First one is 12. Okay. First one is 12. This number is 9. Okay. So therefore the answer is smaller one. Okay. So in the case you have to put minus. So now you compare this number. 75, 92. Answer is biggest one. 17, 92. Answer is also biggest one. So in the case you have to put plus symbol. That's all, students. I hope you understand. So next, number sequence up to 1000. Number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are one digit numbers. One digit number means there must be only one number. Okay. So in this number count, how many numbers are there? Only one number. Only one number. That is one digit number. One digit number have only one number. So number from 10 to 99 are two digit numbers. Okay. Here you see we have how many numbers? 1, 2. Two numbers. Therefore this is called two digit number. In 99, 1, 2. How many numbers? Two numbers. Therefore this is called two digit number. In between 10 to 19, all the numbers are two digit number. What about 11? 11 is the two digit number. Suppose 35. 35 is the two digit number. Count 1, 2. Two digit number. 1, 2. Then 36. 36 also two digit number. Okay. So in that case 99 is the biggest two digit number. Which one is the biggest two digit number? 99. So what will come after 99? 100. Okay. So 100 is 100 is two digit number? No. Now you count 1, 2, 3. How many numbers? 3 numbers. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. Therefore 100 is 3 digit number, not 2 digit number. So that before 100 we have 99. So that 99 is the biggest two digit number. Okay. So here 10 is the smallest two digit number. Okay. So biggest two digit number is 99 and smallest two digit number is 10. Okay. So what is before 10? We have 9. Okay. So in single digit, which number is the biggest one? 9 is the biggest number. So after 9 we will get 10. How many digit? 1, 2. So this is the beginning of the two digit number. So 10 is the smallest two digit number. I hope you understand. Okay, here formation of the numbers such as 10,000, 100 and 1000. When one is added with 9, we get 10. I already told you. So if you add 9 plus 1, what will you get? 9 plus 1, you will get 10. Okay. So 10 is the smallest two digit number. Okay. So 10's 1, 9 plus 1. Okay. What is the answer? 10. Here, so here they are representing that geometrical. Okay. So by wait. So you look here in this picture, they are representing the number geometrically. Okay. So inside we have circles. So I zoom it, you can see easily. Inside we have circles, so many circles. So if you count 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, if you count you will get inside 100 circle. Okay, therefore this picture is representing the number 100. Okay, so this picture is representing the number 100. Okay, what about this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This picture is representing the number 9. Okay, and last one, okay, this is representing the number 1. I hope you understand. Not 9. Sorry, this is not representing 100. Why didn't see? So let us count. So this is representing 9. So this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, this must be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Sorry, this is not 100. This is 90. Okay, this picture is representing the number 90. 90. Okay, this picture is representing the number 9. Okay, this is representing 1. Okay, so 90 plus 9 what? 99. Okay, 99 plus 1 what? Yes, 100. Okay, the answer is 100. How many circles in this picture? The whole circles are 100 circles. Okay, this picture has 100 circles. That is, they are mentioning 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1 equal to 100. If you count, you will get 100 circles in this picture. So next. When we add 1 with 99, we get 100. Yes, 99 plus 1, 100. The numeral 100 represents the number 100. Okay, the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, so you see this is 2-digit number. Okay, how many digits? 1 2. This is greatest 2-digit number, 99, and after 99 what we get? 100. 1 2 3. Okay, after 2-digit number we will get 3-digit number. This is the first 3-digit number, so that this is smallest 3-digit number. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. That's all. 100 has 10 tens. In 100, how many tens are there? There are 10 tens. If you add 10 plus 10 plus, like that, you have to add 10, you will get 100. Okay, so in 100, how many tens are there? There are 10 tens. 100 has 100 ones. Okay, in 100, how many ones? If you add 1 plus 1, you will get 100 ones. Okay, in 100 there are 100 ones. That is the thing. So next. So here 999. So 9 is in which place? Ones place. This 9 is in which place? Tens place. T means tens. This 9 is in which place? Hundreds place. H. Hundreds means H. What about this? TH means thousands. Okay. 999 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, we will get 10. So this is ones, this is tens. We have to write ones in the down. Okay, what is ones here? 0. Okay, in the down. Tens in the top. Okay, so what is tens? 1. I write it here. Now 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is again 10. You have to write 0 here. You have to write 1 in the top. Okay, 1 plus 9 what? Yes, 10. So 999 plus 1 is what? 1000. So 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. And 1000 is the smallest 4 digit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. So 4 digit number is start from 1000. Okay, that's why 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. So here they are giving the answer. Okay, that's all. So the numeral 1000 represent the number 1000. Okay, 1000 represent the number 1000, the smallest 4 digit number. I already told you 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. 1000 has how many hundreds? 10 hundreds. Okay, so in 1000 how many hundreds are there? There are 10 hundreds. Okay, there are 10 hundreds. Okay, so that is the thing they are mentioning. 1000 has 100 tens. Say yes, 1000 has, in 1000 how many tens? In 1000 how many tens? There are 100 tens. Okay, that's all. So read and write all 3-digit number and number name. We shall represent 100 in abacus as shown below. Okay, so this is the abacus. It has one frame and rods and beads. Okay, so in the red color, you see this is called beads. Okay, so this is beads means that so smallest thing. Okay, this is called beads. So you see this is called a rod, and you see this is called frame. Okay, in frame that consisting rods and beads. Okay, that object is called what? Abacus. Okay, this is called abacus. ABACUS, abacus. This is called abacus. So by using abacus we can express the numbers. Okay, numerals. Okay, here what they are expressing, the number 100. Okay, how do they express the number? Okay, this is O. Inside we have O, T, H. Okay, O means ones, T means tens, and H means hundreds. Okay, in O there is no beads. Okay, so they are putting 0. In O there is no beads, so they are putting 0. In tens there is no beads, so they are putting 0. In hundreds there is only 1 beads, so they are writing 1. Okay, so 100. What is that number? 100. Okay, so this is representing which number? So there is only 1 beat in 100, so 1. There is no beat in tens, so 0. So there is no beats in ones, that is also 0. So what is the answer? 100. So here they are giving in the box. I just explaining, no beats in ones place. Okay, there is no beats in ones place, no beats in tens place. Shows 0 tens. Okay, that means you have to put 0 here. This is 0. This is also 0. Okay, so 1 bead in the 100 place shows 100. Okay, that is only 1 bit. So the place value higher than tens place is 100 place. Okay, 100 or 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. We already know 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Yes, here they are giving example. You see first one. So in this picture how many circles are there? There are 100 circles are there. If you want you can also count. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count you will get 100 circle in this picture. Here also 100. So if you count, you will get 100 circle. Okay. Next, so they are representing this picture into what in that abacus. Okay. So what is the number? This is 100. This is 100. 100 plus 100. What? Yes, 200. What is this picture is mentioning? 200. So here in ones there is no bits, tens there is no bits, in hundreds how many bits? 2 bits. Okay, 2. Then this is what? 0. This is what? This is also 0. So what is the number? 200. This picture also mentioning 200. The abacus also mentioning 200. Here the in numeral form, how do we write 200? Yes, 200. This 0 is in ones, this 0 is in tens, this 2 is in hundreds. So number blocks, that is max kit. Okay. So this is the number blocks. Okay. In number blocks they are representing 200. In abacus they are representing 200. This is numeral form, they are representing 200. So number name, what is this? 200. TWOHUNDRED 200. So in 4 ways they are representing 200. First way is number blocks, second way is abacus, third way is numeral form, fourth way is number name. Okay. So in the same way here we have another one example. So this is the number block. Okay, number blocks. So this is 100. Here they are giving 100. So if you count, you will get 100 circles inside. Okay, here we have small circles, that is 100 circles. So how many ones? 1, 2. There are 2 ones. Okay. So 100 plus 2. What is answer? 102. 102. 102. So the number block is representing the number 102. In abacus, how do we represent? So 2 is in which place? Ones place. Okay. Therefore, in ones we have to put 2 beats. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Then tens place is what? 0. So there is no beats. In 100 place, how many beats? 1 beats. Okay. So we have to put 1 beats. So this is the numeral form 102. This is number name 102. Okay. That's all. So here they are giving activity. Now we just know one information. 10 ones. So 10 1 means 10 1 equal to 110. Okay. In 110, how many 10 ones are there? 10 ones are there. Then 10 tens in 100. Okay. Then 10 hundreds in 1000. Okay. You just, so for our information they are giving. So here we have number blocks. So in this circle, how many numbers are there? There are 100 numbers are there. So in this circle, how many numbers? Yes, 100. Okay. So here how many circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 4, 204. Yes. So this is in number block. So here we are representing in abacus. So in ones we have 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In ones 4 So here we have 4 bits. In tens we have 0. There is no bits in tens. In hundreds, what is the number in 100? 2. Therefore 2 bits. 1, 2. So this is the representation of 204. Okay. This is 2 bits. There is no bits. 0. This is 4. Okay. Therefore what is the number? 204. So 4. So 2 is in 100, 0 is in tens, 4 is in ones. Okay. So what is the number? 204 or 204. That's all. So now you see in abacus. So how many beads in the abacus? 2. Okay. In ones we have 2. In tens 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. Okay. In hundreds how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Therefore 5. 5, 3, 2. That is 532. That is 532. Okay. So what is the number shows abacus? Here you have to write 500, F-I-V-E 500, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 500 and 32, T-H-I-R-T-Y 32, D-W-O. Here you have to write the number name. Okay. So this is in number block. So how many hundreds are there? Okay. This is 100. 100. Okay, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100. So there is 500. And how many tens? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens, that means 30. Okay, here how many ones? 2 ones. Okay, 500 plus 30 plus 2. Okay, if you add 500 plus 30, 530, 500 plus 530 plus 2, 532. I hope you understand. Next. Here they are giving number blocks. Okay, so this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. So how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Therefore 400 plus 3. What is the answer? 400 and 3. Okay. So in ones we have 3 beads. So draw 3. 1, 2, 3. So in tens there is no beads. Okay, 0 here. In hundreds how many hundreds are there? 4. Okay, hundreds place we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is 403. That is 403. Here you have to write 403. F-O-U-R 4, F-O-U-R 4, then 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and A-N-D and 3, T-H-R-E-E. Here you have to write the number name. So similarly you can find this also. So how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. And what is this? This is tens. Okay, how many tens? 1, 2 tens, that is 20. Okay, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 ones. So 400 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, that is 400 plus 20, 420 plus 5, 425. Okay, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So what is in ones? 5. So ones we have to draw 5 beads. 3, 4, 5. Okay, in tens we have 2 beads. 1, 2. Okay, in hundreds we have 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 beads. That is 425. Here you have to write 425. F-O-U-R 400, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and A-N-D and 5, F-I-V-E 5. Here you have to write the number name. So here we have read and write the numbers from 101 to 200. Okay, this is 101. 101, 102, what 1, 2, what about next number? 103, then 4, what about next number? 105, okay, 5, 6, what about next number? 107, okay, then 8, what about next number? 109, so what about next to 9? 10, okay, that is 110. So here 111, 11, what about next number? 112, what about next number? 113, okay, 12, 13, next number 114, so 115, so next number 116, next number 17, 117, next number 118, so 18, what is the next number? 19, okay, that is 119. So what is the next number to 19? 20, okay, 120, 121, then next number 122. So what is the next to 22? 23, 123, then 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 30. So if you continually follow this process, you can fill all the boxes. Okay, this is the way I already teach you. Just count. Here we have 31, next 32, 33, 34, 35, that is 132, 133. So that is the way. Okay, that is the way you can fill all the numbers. That's all. So here write the numerals for the given numbers name. Okay, so 535, this is number name, they are writing in numeral form, that is 535. Here 107, this is 107. Next 128, that is 100 means 1 and 20 means 2, then 8, okay, 8 means 8, this is 128. Next 600, 6 means 6, 100 means you have to add 20, that is 600. Here 9, so 9, you put 9, 100 and 5, so 100 and 5, there is no tens, okay, that is 905. You just see the word and write the number. 5 means you have to write 5, 100 and 30, 30 means 3, okay, and then finally 5 means 5. That's all. Okay student, now the class is over. We will see in the next class, and if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.